If you wanted to start a brick and mortar store, you will need thousands of dollars for rent, inventory, staff, licenses, and hundreds of other things. But what if I told you that you could build a business with a potential to reach the whole world using just a laptop and few hours a week? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your affiliate marketing system, a system that works for you day and night, even when you are not working. And by the end of this lesson, you will have a clear blueprint to follow. Hi, I'm Frank Chanda. In lesson 1, you learn the truth about affiliate marketing, what it really is and what it is not. Now it's time to get practical. Today we are going to break down your affiliate marketing system into 5 steps. 1. Choosing your niche. 2. Building your platform. 3. Creating valuable content. 4. Adding affiliate links. 5. Driving targeted traffic. No jargon, no fluff, just the exact framework I wish someone had handed me when I was starting. Your niche is the audience you serve and the topic you focus on. Without it, you are like a store selling everything and appealing to no one. The sweet spot of your niche, it should be something you enjoy learning or talking about. You don't have to be an expert yet. There's a proven demand. People actively buy product in this space. Is specific enough to stand out. Broad fitness, better homeworks for women over 40. Broad travel, better travel tips for college students. With Affiliate as a niche research training that show you how to find a profitable angle in under an hour. You will learn to use the keyword tool to see exactly how many people are searching for topics in your niche. Example, 1W member shows a eco-friendly kitchen products as her niche. She writes about usable straws, compostable bags, and energy efficient appliance. Within her first year, her site reached 12,000 monthly visitors and she was making around $800 per month. Your platform is where your audience finds you. Think of it as your online home base. You can choose blog or website, great for written guides, reviews, and how-to articles. YouTube channel, perfect if you enjoy speaking or showing things visually. Social media account, good for quick tips, short videos, and trends. If you choose a blog, which I recommend beginners, Web Affiliate gives you website hosting, a drag and drop website builder, and professional teams. You can literally have your site live in 30 seconds. For example, a WA beginner in Australia launched a website about budget camping gear. She used one of WA pre-made themes, customized it in the afternoon, and her first post was live before dinner. That article now ranks on Google and brings her 300 plus visitors a month, all from free traffic. This is where the magic happens. Content is what connects your audience to the product you recommend. Type of content you can create: product reviews, honest opinion on the items in your niche, comparison posts, product A versus product B, which is better, how to guide, step-by-step tutorials. This posts 10 best articles. The key is to focus on helping first and selling second. For example, a web affiliate member wrote a blog post comparing two popular blenders. It got around 500 visitors a month with a 3% conversion rate and a $20 commission per sale. That single article earned about $300 per month for one piece of content. Creating this content is faster than ever. With Affiliate give you a monthly AI credit that can generate thousands of words of content in a minute. You can use AI to draft your articles, then add your personal touch so they sound like you. This is where you make your money. Sign up for affiliate programs in your niche, Amazon Associate, JSL, CJ Affiliate, or a niche-specific programs. Place your links naturally in your content. For example, I use the XYZ sleeping bag for my camping trips, and this keeps me warm in minus 5 degrees Celsius weather. You can check it out here. You add your affiliate link. The more helpful and trustworthy your content, the more likely people are to click and buy. Traffic is the lifeblood for your business. Without it, nothing else matters. We will cover free traffic strategies in detail in lesson 3, but for now, know this. Web Affiliate teaches you search engine optimization, SEO, so your content show up when people are searching for it. They also cover YouTube's SEO, social media marketing, and more. With consistent effort, a blog post can bring in visitors for years without additional work. So here is your system. 1. Choose a niche. 2. Build a platform. 3. Create helpful content. 4. Add affiliate links naturally. 5. Drive traffic. That is it. It is simple but powerful. And once it's set up, it works for you 24/7. In lesson 3, we will get into the exact free traffic strategies that work. The same ones beginners are using to go from 0 to hundreds of visitors a day without spending a cent. Don't just watch, start building your system today. Click the link in the description or go to Web Affiliate, create your free account, set up your site, and use your AI credit to publish your first piece of content before the next lesson. That is how you build momentum.